For this question, I think that's something that you actually totally miss out. Miss out in the sense that you meet because of this very critical word, that the whole way of doing it is different. Okay, Janet is given 2 strings of the same length, okay, to tie the balloons for carnival, and she cuts one string into equal parts of 90 centimeter. To each part she ties 2. This is 90 centimeter, and then this is 120 centimeter, correct? This is 120 centimeter, and then this is 90 centimeter. But then what we know is it is of equal, the 2 string of the same length. Okay, if you were to look like that, do they look like the same length? Definitely not, right? So you know that the length of that string will not be 90 compared to 120. So let's say for this first case, I cut inside here, right, is 90 centimeter. Inside I have what? 2 big balloon, okay? And then over here, the other one, let me write with this. Over here, my first cut is what? 120 centimeter. And in 120 centimeter, I have 5 small balloons. So, let me put here, here's the balloons. And then here is the centimeter. Here's the balloons. Correct or not? So when I say that it's same length, so definitely 90 and 120 is not the same length. So after 90, I add on another one, will be what? 90 add 90, this will be 180 already. And then there's another add 2 big balloons again. So this 120, I add another one, will be 240. Correct? Is it the same length? No. Remember, every 120 is 5 small balloons. Every 90 is 2 big balloons. So I continue to add. I add another 90 over here. So here will be 270. Another 2 big balloons. So it's another of this add in, but the total length is 270. For this case, is I add in 120 again, right? So it becomes 360. 5 small balloons, another 5 small balloons. So 270, 360. Okay, I add another 90. I add another 90 here. So it's 360. There will be another 2 big balloons. Can you see here? I have here 360 and here 360, which means that now the length is the same. It's the same length. So which means here, right, now it becomes 360 is the same length. The only problem it's not a problem. The only thing here is I cut this into how many parts? I cut this into 4 parts, while I cut this into 3 parts. Correct? But this I cut it into 3 parts. Correct or not? So every of these, I have 5 small balloons, 5 small balloons, and 5 small balloons. Each one of these, I have 2 big balloons, 2 big balloons, and 2 big balloons, 2 big balloons. In terms like their length is the same, which is 360 centimeter. Okay? And then it says, he cuts, okay, and then it says for, after the job is complete, the Janet counts that there are 105 small balloons than big balloons. There's 105 small balloons than big balloons. You see here is what? Total is 15, right? If you do this, right, you see here is 15. Definitely 15 will be more than, here's what? Let's see here. Let's do it here. for these small balloons, here is what? 2, 4, 6, 8. 8. And then here is the big one. There are 15 of it. So here is 7 unit. And then here is 8 unit, correct? And then here is 105. Because they are small balloon is 105 more than 8. So when you take 7 unit, right, equals to 105. 1 unit will be 105 divided 7. And then this will give you a value of 15. No, and it's asked you what is the total number of balloons. Total number of balloons, correct or not? So the total number of balloons, right? If I put here total, will be the small balloons add the big balloons. So you know one box here is already 15. So here in one box, in total here I have how many? 8, right? So I put 8 times 15. And then here is what? 15 times 15. Correct or not? Or you can do it here also lah. So I will have a value of 8 times 15. What is the value? 8 times 15 will give me 120. And 15 times 15 will give me a value of 225. So the total number, right, is 120 at 225. Will actually give me an answer of 345 total balloons. Okay, later I will show you another problem sum that is very similar to this, but then it's totally the way the question asked is similar, but then it's not the same because it's not saying the same length. So take clue from this. Later I'll show you another questions. I'll give you another question. It's also like length cut, but then it's not the same length. So you go about and think how to go and do such question. Okay.